What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with JesseW, and today we're going to go over stock PSTV. This thing is insane, up 290%. Got a nice trade on it. Check it out. How about that PSTV, guys? That thing is wild. 379,000 in the float. It apparently had some news yesterday. I think it had its ER, and this thing's just been nuts. It's been insane. This morning, I lost a couple bucks on it. Nothing alarming. It was a quick trade, so I didn't even get to click record. But I will go over it with you. And then this afternoon, I was able to make it back. So that was fun. And I want you to see exactly what I did today, okay? So I'm going to show you first the 15-minute chart before I show you the live trade. And let's zoom in here a little bit. You see this line here, this 950 line right here? Let me see. Okay, so this 950 line coincides on the daily right here. 950s, you see it's this top. It's this kind of bottom, and it's this area of the top here as well as closing above it here on this doji candle on the daily. So I had that drawing up since this morning, and if you notice, the stock respected that line all day long. Here in this area, these three candles, and then here again at 2:45 p.m. As you can tell, at 2:45 p.m. is when it really took off. Now, right around a little bit before then, or actually around that time, I brought up my chart. Again, because I had actually closed it off for the day. Why had I closed it off for the day? Because I was in this stock today at $9.10. Now I'm going to show you where, and I'm going to show you where I got stopped out. So we were consolidating sideways here like this, and I think it was in this candle right here. Was it here? Or this candle. I think it was in this candle right here. I got long at $9.10. Okay? It's a heartbreak. I got long at $9.10. And I put my stop way too tight. Way too tight. I had a 20-cent stop. I don't know why I had a 20-cent stop. I don't know why I had a 20-cent stock on a 20-cent stop on a $9 stock that has 379,000 in the float. I know that I should have had about $1 range for this stock to play in, and I put a 20-cent hard stop. And this stock dipped really quickly down here to 850s. It was right there, and then it immediately took off, went all the way to the moon, did its lunar launch. And all I could do was just sit here and watch it get halted here, get halted here, and just go and go. And it took everything in the world for me to not flip my table here. Obviously, I wasn't going to flip it, just a figure of speech. And just thinking about it makes me mad again at nothing else but myself. At nothing else but myself, because that was a rookie mistake. But hey, it is what it is. I can try to take some solace in that I was right. Okay? I was right. My entry was fine. My stop was wrong. And I'm mad because I should have made money. But I'm not mad necessarily because I got stopped out, because I deserve to get stopped out because I made a mistake. And, well, I had to pay for it. And I paid for it by taking a small little loss and watching the stock make a lunar launch. So I watched it go all the way up here, put in this high, and then come back in and do all this nasty action. At this point here, I had shut it all off. I said I'm starting the weekend early. And didn't really get to start the weekend early, nothing. Had a bunch of other work I had to take care of, and I did. And then I said to myself, I'm going to come back and open up my chart, not my broker. I'm going to open up my chart and take a look at this. If I like what I see, I might open up my broker. And I opened it up right around here. I was actually watching it on the 15-minute chart that I showed you earlier. And I like that. I like that movement there. So I said, you know what? Let me open up my broker. Let's see what we see. And I noticed that we broke over this $12.50 area and this $13 area on real nice, very nice increasing volume bars. Very nice. Look at these bars. Very nice, big, strong, continuous volume. I said, you know what? This is worth the trade. So I jumped in here at $12.98. And my target was $14.40. Somewhere in front of this $15 area, high of the area. And I put an order out at $14.40. I was just slightly, by the time I clicked my order to put it on the ask, it had already hit $14.40 and came back down. I was like, damn it. Knowing that we're up near the high of the day, knowing that it's the end of the day, and the low flow, I said, you know what? I'm taking this $14.10, and I took my profit right there. Not bad. $1.12 a share profit. So here I am, 1302 cost basis, because I only have 100 measly shares. Because you know what? I'm already a little red on the day. About, what was it, $70, $80, and I don't want to make it worse. So I'm only going to take 100 shares. My stop at this point was just underneath 1250, which is this pivot point you see here, here, and here that we broke above increasing volume. So I'm risking about 40 cents, 45 cents here, for the chance of making $1 to $2 a share. I tried to take $1.50 basically a share, but I kind of missed it. So it's a very short trade. They start to squeeze. I'm like, all right, finally, gonna get it. Put out an order. No fill. Starts to come back down a little bit. And right there, I take it at $4.10. So $1.10 a share. It's at $16.62 now, making a new high of day. That stock is wild. But I'll take $1.10 a share on it. After all, I missed it. I didn't really get to capitalize on this stock like I should have and wanted to, and know I could have. But at least $1.10 a share, I will gladly take it. Let me know how you did today. Drop it in the comment section below. Did you catch a piece of this PSTV? If you did, let me know what it was. I hope you're having an excellent end of week. Have a great week, and remember to subscribe, smash that like button for me, and I'll catch you on the next one.